Hey guys, this is Deborah. Yesterday I picked up this Atelier set of scrapbooking papers. It's from Stamperia, and I just wanted to take you through it, and also I'm going to make something with it. So this comes in a booklet, and this is the cover. It's also got the back on it as well. And don't forget that when you get things like this, that you can actually use the cover in your junk journals. So these would make good tags. They also could be a journaling spot because it's white on the back. You can cut this out. You can put something on it. For example, we could put a tag on that, have that as a background for a tag, and the same for the back page. Always check, because you could use this as edging on your journal pages. You'd even use these little bits here as little tiny tucks, things like that. So that's the cover, and then you've got these absolute gorgeous papers. I swore I wasn't buying any more paper, and then I saw this. It had just come in and I went, oh, that's gorgeous. They're double-sided. They're quite a thick cardstock, which I like, and these colours are just beautiful. You could cut the butterfly out. It's also got some little words and sayings and things on there. The back of it is just plain brown. I'd use the front of that one. This is a sheet of music. Again, it's got nice little bow down here. So we've got some beautiful paper. The back of that one is also brown, although it does have a lace edge. This one here is really interesting. This is Atelier, so that's why I bought it, because I love all these old mannequins and things like that. That's really pretty, isn't it? The back of it is interesting as well. It's like box wrapping box paper that they've put some sort of stuff over, maybe some gesso or something, and then they've taken a photo or the scan of it. This is the next page. Yeah, it's okay. You know, I'm not a blue, sorry, I'll move that to the middle. I'm not a blue person, but the back of it's really nice. So let's look at the back. How gorgeous is that? So luckily in this particular book, I like one side or the other of everything. There's some great things. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that you could cut out, and then you could put like a little pocket on that. We might do that in a minute. And you've got the back of this as well, although I'll probably use the front of it in this instance. This is the next sheet. Just divine. The colours is what got me. That's just plain brown on the back, so luckily that's I like the front. I love this. This is just gorgeous with these little things for thread, little thread holders, and some little round things here, and the lovely mannequins. And what you could do with the mannequins is you can use them, but before you use them, maybe trace around them, and then you've got a template for this size mannequin and this. The same with these. You could use one of those as a template, or cut your own little thread cards from them. The back of it's plain. It's got a bit of an edge down here, but I'd use all of the front. This one's lovely. Gorgeous, isn't it? Again, you've got a plain back on that one with some stitching around it. This is a bunch of rulers. I've seen better rulers, but luckily the back of this page is just gorgeous. It's got all the old pattern sketches on it. It's lovely, isn't it? And then you've got a bunch of tags and things where you can put some titles and things on it. Again, you could use these as templates, cut them out and have them as templates, and the back of it's just brown. So there's 10 sheets, and every sheet I've got something that I love, either on the back or the front, so I think that's pretty good. And plus, don't forget, you've also got the back and the front cover that you can use.